JavaScript, Kotlin, Swift, SwiftUI, PHP, R, create canvas, create element, var, val, func, function, array, int, square brackets, float square brackets, new square brackets, new features square brackets, new features, create canvas, canvas equals to create canvas, canvas size, parenthesis 200, parenthesis comma between 200s, and also Bootstrap, Elasticsearch, Jenkins, Docker, Ansible, Symfony, functions, create violin, valid, validation, truncate, SQL, MySQL, SQLite, function, create, compile.